Places are in connection with the heat and noticing why are some parts of San Diego more than others. And oh, yeah. So look here. Wait, can you go back to it? See this right? Oh, what? So go back to that is right there. It's right. No, that's right there. No. So notice, why do you think this part is so dark and that part is so light? Looking at this map. That's this part right here with this part right here. Oh, it's green.
We were part of a Climate Champions Summit where adult learners got analyzed data about global warming from maps from scientists that analyzed the heat temperatures of the land, and we took our adult learning and modified it for a 5th grade curriculum.
Yeah, what is the temperature from here?
Which objects? Which objects? Which one was the coolest box? Handlebar.
What was cool is I gave them the map of the heat, and I gave them a map of just Google Earth, and they had two computers side by side, and they had to figure out where this one particular cooler spot was. And so they were definitely taking the idea that they knew that a field was going to be cooler. So it was neat that they had taken their previous learning that vegetation has cooler land, and they were using that to help them find this one particular cooler area on the heat map. And so it was really cool for them to be like, I know it has to be a field. So on the Google Earth, they kept zooming in on the fields. And then when they finally figured out that it's their clay field, the aha moment's like, hey, that's our school. And then we led that on to the discussion of, do you think that's like our school buildings too? Like, is that our whole school? And a lot of them were able to adapt their learning to be able to say, no, that can only be the field, because we know that blacktops and buildings generally are hotter.
Right there. This is La Mesa. That's kind of. Yes. We all agree I want to say. Okay. We figured out that mostly where the areas are really, really hot are mostly where it's more populated.
What did we discover when we looked at this map? Thank you for raising your hand. Yes.
It was our school.
It's our school. Okay, yes.
The light spot, well, it's not the school, it's the field because there's more grass.
Okay. Yes.
And road grass and keywords that needs to work.
So as adults, we used the modeling to help us understand how different parts of our environment affect positively and negatively each other and how everything's combined. So we actually just kind of freely gave the kids the model for the first time, and it was amazing to see how they could connect everything, but it was also amazing to see how using the modeling helped them realize how everything is connected and seeing themselves as part of the world as a whole. Using the model helped them see that. The STEAM curriculum is all about hands-on inquiry and students developing understandings. Like, I may give a little bit of information, but now let's apply it to here. Or try this, now let's build understanding. Looking at these maps, we figured out that the cooler places are the fields and the vegetative areas. So then we take that inquiry on, okay, now what did we learn from that? Okay, we validated that learning, now where can we take that with the next step? And so it's all about collaboration, hands-on learning, kids problem solving. And I think in general, when you figure something out on your own, you generally maintain it better than if your teacher says, hey, the sky is blue because.